Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Facebook email on laptop. We start by opening our Facebook profile in the browser. Then we will click on the account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then click on Settings. Then we enter the Account Center option. Here we are going to click on Personal Details and then on the Contact Info section. Here we will see the list of emails and telephone numbers added. To add a new one, click on Add New Contact and then choose Add Email. After this, we are going to add the new email we want and select the account to link with it. Click Next to continue. We will receive a confirmation code to that added email that we must write and continue with Next. We will see that the new email has been added and we can click on Close. If we enter contact information again, we will see the new email added. If we want only this one to remain, we can click on the others we have and choose Delete Email to remove them from the list. You will have to confirm the action. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.